Welcome to Lumi Global's online platform user guide. In this video, we'll show you how to use the different functions on the Lumi platform. You will have received your login credentials securely either in person, via email, on your proxy card, or by an alternative method. Once you've arrived at the Lumi platform, you have the option to select an alternative language when available. At the login page, simply enter in your unique credentials. Once you've logged into the platform, you'll be taken to the home page. On the left-hand side, you'll see key information of the meeting, instructions on how to use the Lumi platform, and the navigation bar to enable you to jump between tabs. On the right-hand side is the broadcast panel, where you can view the live meeting. You can view the broadcast in full screen by clicking on the icon in the top right. If enabled, the Request to Speak button will also appear at the top of the broadcast panel, where you may ask a verbal question. To submit a written message, click on the Messaging tab on the navigation bar. Type your message in the Enter Text box and press the Send button. A message received notification will appear at the top of the screen. To review your previously sent messages, click the My Messages button. Any written replies to your message directly from the moderator will also appear in the My Messages section. To access documents relevant to the business of the meeting, navigate back to the left side of your screen and press the Documents tab button. This will allow you to access any documents the meeting host has made available. To view information about those speaking in the meeting, click on the Speakers tab. Here you may view the names and biographies of each of the speakers. Once the vote is opened, the Voting tab will automatically appear on your screen. The resolution will be displayed at the top of the page with the voting options below. When you click on a voting option, a Vote Received confirmation message will appear above your choice. There's no Submit button, and you can change your voting choice while the vote remains open. Make sure to read the resolution and voting instructions carefully before casting your vote, as each vote can be different. Once the poll has closed, you will not be able to change your mind. The Voting tab will then automatically disappear from the navigation bar. Thank you for using Lumi Global.